Alright, good afternoon guys. Today is March 10 already. So, Marso Jays na. And wala. Grabe ang panahon. Sige hapag uwan. Still cloudy here in Cebu, but you know, mas nindot ni na medyo uwan before summer hits because ningon sila medyo init gini atong summer karon, and now mausan na karon init ang summer, mahal ang gasolina na mamahali sa gining kuryente na to ani ron. Sige lang kay magpa-aircon ang mga tao kay pag moadto na lag mall because abre naman sa dag mall noon. So the malls are open, by the way. I mean, they don't look for vaccination cards anymore. It's practically back to normal except you have to wear mask, of course. But basically ko it's like what again. We're back. In fact, tomorrow Friday I'm going to Ayala because nani mag-open ng mga new milk tihan kada mga yogurt store ang Kumi. So mura mag niga na. So nangabri na sa mga kuan, the expansion plans are of many companies na medyo na delay because of the pandemic. Is somehow kahit paano they're trying to get back, like you know what you saw mga few days ago katong Cebu Doc na expansion in Mactan Doctors. So many companies are were kanilang mga na-delay na mga projects, they are now slowly getting back on schedule na yun. So mao na. So I don't know lang sa real estate na side, I think nasa gyapon na delay yun sa mga real estate projects sa pag-release sa mga mga turnover sa units due to kay ayuhonon lagi due to Odette. But I think naman, I don't know kung kumusta ang mga cancellations, by the way, due to the typhoon and the pandemic, but I think in a way sa Cebu medyo okay naman. I think there are no new projects nun kayo na gi-launch, but the existing ones are na cancel. They're proceeding as planned. So ano naman, although malagi na there's there's also some sectors who are gonna be like be wary of what's happening in Russia and the situation there, but the situation between not only sa Russia but the situation between the relationship between Russia and America, the Europe. So unsa nang mga kuan ba, are they gonna be are they gonna really punish Russia? Somehow in a way di ba kanang gipunish lang Russia, like ni pull out like Starbucks, McDonald's, but ang question na who suffered more? I mean, can Russia can live without McDonald's without Starbucks. Actually na mo ito nagsuyop ta nilang kwarta, di ba, mga Apple di na magkuhan. Well, I don't know. Mapugos to ning Russia to develop their own fast food and kuhan. So kuhan lang na. Although they're starting to kuhan ba. They're not importing Russian oil anymore. So yeah, mo na ang kuhan ani. Of course, mo na unsay man iubra ni sa pika sa Russia, di ba? They'll probably find ways to sell their oil in other channels, di ba? Ito makabenepisyo yung Pilipinas na mas baratong oil. I-black market ba? So mao na. Pero mao na ikuha na ni ron. The conflict against Russia is not, it won't end na magmahuman na kita yung war, like ceasefire na sila, magstorya na sila, but because of the sanctions, because of things people have said na marabang di nila mamalit og Russian oil, nagyapon yung mga issue. Di ba yun? Di ba? Di sad mo tubag ang mga OPEC. So I don't know, naging cartel tingi ang ang gasolina, I mean the fuel, but we'll see what's going. You know, kung ako sa tingin mga Saudi and the oil producing countries, labi na sa kuan, in a way mainsulto na sila kung kanang movement about kanang kuan ba wokeness na kanang green na i-phase out na sila. Because many countries more than, like even Venezuela for example, is solely reliant sa income from, you know, the ilang oil. And kung grabe kin mo kapaklaro ba na you have bias against them, probably they'll push back. They'll have some kind of pushback because you're also trying to kill their country, di ba? Hindi mo mga oil, you're trying to discourage people, well, then there'll be a pushback also from countries who rely, you know, in a GDP from that. Ano nilang main income good. Yung bati na. So, that's a kuan. Now, karon manginhanglan na mo nila, probably magpapresyo na sila because, yeah, with the bad press that oil's getting, in the end, people, I mean countries still need oil for fuel, diba? Hindi na kukuan. In all honesty, kinahanglan gihapon taana, and the world needs stable oil prices. Kung ano yung ubos, taas ug ubos magyud na. It's always gonna be a cycle. We live with that. But kaya mga sudden jolts lang ba? Bati mo lang ng sudden jolts. Parihuan eh. Now when you increase oil suddenly at like 10%, ganun diesel at 10%, mura ba? That's grabe ang kuan na impact ba. Kung increase na lang tag 50 stabos, 5 straight weeks, 10 straight weeks. Wala, little do we know na 5 rin increase, pero kung isang bagsakan 5 pesos na yan, there's no guarantee na maundang ang increase. That's a kuan. The impact sa mga tao ba, sa consumers, would be kuan, really kuan, grabe. Sa maning ano, traffic magkani pa dong SRP or padong dere, I don't know, naghuot pang mga tao. Yeah, but we're currently at Fuente Osmeña Boulevard, approaching Plaza Independencia, and approaching the entrance to the Cebu South Coastal Road Tunnel, but we're not going there. We're going here. So para makita na sa itong balik, you know, kani mga daan naman ito nakita. Ano eh, Plaza Independencia na ta. So wala nang balik ng mga barko, mga kuwan, pero I don't know kumusta na ang ilang pliti niya ani ron. So we will be checking on it. Nindot man sa ibiyahe, pero kuan man sa nindot ba ibiyahig barko, but pero ako ano, mga airplano naman kasi gara mga tao kay pas ra. Yan na yung side, hindi kay mahal dito airplano. So we're gonna turn right there to Osmeña Boulevard. So wala. So this is the traffic in the afternoon in Cebu. Nindot mag-i-drive sa hapon. Nindot ang weather, by the way. Isa, wasan nakuhan pa, pero wala. I think you've seen these roads, pero kapila na, but I always love driving here na marabang makita mo pinaka-iconic na buildings. on this road. I think we did an Osmeña Boulevard drive before. Nakatog yung gikan Tumoy, gikan diri hantod gyud Tumoy. Niabot pa tag Banawa. But this time kutob sa tag Puente. But yeah, it was a really pleasant drive, fast drive. So morning Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. Ano, simbahan yun sa Cebu. Okay lang Thursday agi kay dili kayo samok. Ano na Friday, medyo sarado sa ng ubang dalan. Jollibee. So na rin Jollibee diha. So nindot sa na location na Dolores Fuente ay sa Santo Niño. But yeah, mao na mag-ampo lang yun tama na yung agit ng Santo Niño ron. That we hope that the situation will stabilize sa kalibutan. We won't di na kuan di na maggubot, and we have stable prices on top, and then allow ourselves to recover after 2 years of really spending too much time at home, diba? So what have you been doing in the past 2 years? Lingaw ba? So yung mga CCTO. Mani atong kuan ron. Drive there. And yes, everyone is trying to recover again. The lost years that we have, and we hope that we won't add up some more after this. And then we have a pandemic, and although may pandemic like Hong Kong is still struggling, ani in a way ba, relatively. Diba? Pero manay challenge na ron. China also sa mga cases compared sa una na sige na kung sila ka-zero. So naghapon ng COVID, but it's not as bad as before. Hopefully wala yung next wave, next variant. So mga na if you check out my Facebook page, nalit ay bagong video na di viral sa Facebook kaning kusina ni Usting kato si fastest chef kanang sa Ramos ba, kanang kananan sa Ramos. I think almost 3 million views na siya in just 2 days. Amazing kayo, daghan magirig fan si Usting. Kaning sa kusina ni Usting si Ariel. But ako ba na mura ba even those small ones pareho ni na kusina ni Usting na it's like a kitchen, small eatery that opens at night, that serves canned goods, noodles. It's actually so popular sa mga estudyante, mga reviewers diya na daga nagdoktor silang mga parokyano na marawag even mga small eateries na to are trying to get back to their feet, or open once again. And then kung na uncertainty, di ba, lisod kaayo na hopefully na gini nga na ba sa itong pandemic levels ba na marabag ang Pilipinas dako na kuno kay utang sa. So we're hoping na lang na nakuha na kita padung na kita mag-recover humanon lang yun yung gira or something like that, yung conflict, at di pa ni basta-basta lang mahuman. So yep, we're almost there sa atong destination, and dingawan yung mga nagbisikleta diri sa napungdalan. Gamito yung bisikleta. May na magbisikleta lang tita tanan ani kung mahal lang yung gasolina. Katawan man nato sila ron, basig pohon. hasta kita magbisikleta na kay at least ka na wala pa na ikuan gasolina. Tapos pilan sa tiyang bisikleta. And this is the Osmeña Boulevard. Dito nalapit sa kuan. We're here at Camp Sergio Osmeña. Area. So unahan na ni mga YMCA na, mga PLDT. Pero sige lang. Tana. We're driving. The traffic is just okay. Puno ang mga jeep. Wala, this is Cebu. This is snapshot of Cebu on March 10, 2022. Thursday. Yeah, it's a cloudy day. We're approaching summer already. Pero we're experiencing mga cloudy weather these past few days, rainy even. Kusog kitong uwan last night. But yeah, it's a relief na gihapon ang weather, by the way, because malagi. It's gonna be a hot summer daw, as they forecast. So tipid na tas water niya pohon. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me on this biyahe by and hopefully you enjoy this trip. Raglain sa daruta, but I think you've seen it before, but wala. Pikit sa oras, but I hope to show you more places niya pohon. Nakanandugay na ito na suruyan para makita ninyo sa ni dagway itsura sa mga different places, cities of Cebu in 2022. Diba? So medyo traffic na, light nag-down. I mean, sa former biyahe na to, but it's a good thing. Basig pohon kali mo. Mabalik na ta si food trip. Sig mo gamay na ning biyahe na to, we will be driving less. I'm gonna show you less on the road, or less roads, more restaurants sa balik, or even basig far away places like resorts and other stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and see you na sa next na tong biyahe. Bye.